sure you've heard the term going from the frying pan to the fire. And here we have an example of just that thing. Now, if we look at this wheel here, although it's dirty, it looks like a really nice chrome-plated alloy wheel. Now, it is alloy, there's no question about that, but instead of chrome plating the wheel itself, which led to problems such as chrome peeling where the bead of the tire mounts onto the wheel and things like that, it corroded there, it did all kinds of bad things. Well, instead of doing that, to prevent those problems, this is what they came up with. Now, this is not a chrome-plated wheel. What this is a plastic insert that has been chrome-plated and then attached to the wheel itself. All right, now, here we have the downsides to this, the fire, as it were. Frying pan to the fire. All right, this plastic, well, if you tap a curb with it even a little bit, the chrome on it will peel, such as we're seeing here where it's all wrinkled up. Tap a curb a little harder and you'll take the chrome right off it, a little harder still, and you'll wind up with something like this. You know, this hit the curb and just destroyed the center part of the wheel. Now, some of these can be repaired. They can put new inserts in them and so on. But in most cases, they're going to have to be replaced. All right, that's one downside to them. Another is that you have to be very careful where you take your vehicle to have tire work done. If you need new tires, well, if you have this type of wheel, not just any old shop can change the tires without damaging the wheel. Balancing them is the same thing. You see, when this is mounted onto a tire machine or a balancing machine, typically there is a cone that fits down into this, and then you crank that down, and that cone is what holds the tire in place on the machinery. All right, problem is the cone is tapered, tighten it down, and it cracks this plastic. So what you have to have is a shop that has a unit that has studs that go down into the holes themselves and locks the wheel in place so there's no force put on this plastic because the plastic can easily crack. So be very careful about making sure that the place that you select to have your tire work done has the proper equipment to deal with these plastic wheels as they were. And if you have a question or a comment or just want a lot of great advice, go to goss-garage.com.